Welcome to Abloy Protec, the future of high security. To understand why Abloy Protec is the future of high security, we need to look at its history and go back to 1907 when Emil Henriksson, an office machinery mechanic from Helsinki, invented a principle that would change the world of locking systems forever. That principle was the rotating disc locking mechanism, and with it was born the concept of high security. Using rotating discs instead of pins, this patented design offered a new level of security and put Abloy securely on the map. It also opened up a new realm of possibilities for master keying by providing a vast number of key differs, which until then had been impossible. Since the first cylinder came off the production line in 1924, Abloy has grown to become one of the world's leading manufacturers of high-security cylinders by constantly developing its product range to cope with the demands of the time. From the original Abloy Classic mechanism conceived by Emil in 1907, the company developed the Abloy Profile cylinder, introduced in 1977, followed in 1985 by the first two-way mechanism, the award-winning Abloy Disc Lock Pro. Then in 1993, Abloy Exec, for which an advanced disc steering system was introduced. All were developed from the original rotating disc design, still recognized internationally as the #1 choice for reliable, high-security protection. To meet the security demands of the next generation, a new solution is required. That solution is here today, Abloy Protec, the future of high security. The need for security products to stay ahead is all too obvious. Organized crime and crime in the workplace, like theft of important documents, products, cash, equipment, and vandalism, is costing businesses and organizations around the world billions every year. Current working conditions also demand greater flexibility. More and more commercial organizations staying open longer, companies adopting flexi-time, flatter management structures, and fewer people doing more work all mean that a new generation of security solutions is required to give greater freedom of access and ease of management, all without compromising on the level of security. Abloy Protec has been designed to exceed the demands of today's marketplace. The main technological advancement, and the one on which the patent is based, is the introduction of discs and keys which are now cut on 2 radii. But that is not all, because although Abloy mechanisms today remain virtually pick-proof, technology continues to advance even for the criminal. Which is why we have taken Abloy Protec one step further and developed a new disc blocking function. When the key is turned 90 degrees, all the discs will be blocked and locked together by 2 return bars, thereby defeating any attempt to maneuver or manipulate the discs individually into position. The world-renowned wear resistance and smooth operation of Abloy mechanisms has also been taken one step further with the development of a new sealed disc controller containing smaller steel balls, a smaller keyway, plus an all-metal key, enhancing still further the ease of use and practically eliminating any possible wear and tear. The exceptional strength, durability and manipulation protection offered by Abloy Protec has been recognized, with the range of cylinders being accredited to both UL 437 and EN 1303 standards for security cylinders. To ensure that each and every Abloy Protec lock will never be compromised by the unauthorized copying of keys or key blanks, Abloy has invested in a worldwide patent protecting installations for many years to come. Depending upon the application, there are various levels of security offered which control the duplication and issue of keys. These vary slightly from country to country, but all ensure that duplicate keys can be cut only if the correct authorization is provided. With an extensive product range, Abloy has for many years been known for its ability to provide cylinders to fit almost any type of lock, and locks to fit any type of door, or indeed any application. Abloy Protec is no exception, with Euro Profile, ANSI Standard, Australian and UK Oval, Scandinavian and Finnish cylinder types within the range. Organisations wishing to upgrade their existing security without going to the expense of replacing every lock and all the door furniture may do so with a master keyed suite of Abloy Protec cylinders, safe in the knowledge that it has patent protection that will last well into the future. As well as being the preferred option for high security retrofit installations, Abloy continues to provide high security solutions for major new projects worldwide. The extensive range of padlocks, cam and furniture locks, mechanical and electromechanical locks is manufactured and tested to the same exacting standards as that of the cylinder mechanisms, with all of them meeting or exceeding the relevant European standards demanded for high security locks. One of the main reasons for the enduring success of Abloy over the past 90 years is the enormous master keying possibilities available using this unique concept. Coming from this heritage, it is not surprising that the new Abloy Protec mechanism, with nearly 1.97 billion key combinations, guarantees that no matter how large or complicated the requirement, a Protec master key suite can be designed to meet your needs. In simple terms, a master keyed suite of locks allows a key holder to operate all those locks that he is authorized to use, whilst excluding him from all others. A basic system might allow one person access to all locks using one key, with each lock in the system also having an individual key. In an office block, the individual keys may operate the common entrance door. Sub-master keys can be introduced to open groups of locks, for example, all locks to the computer area, or all locks on the first floor. The more complicated systems may include a great grand master key, operating all the locks in buildings across many different locations, grand master keys for each location, master keys for each building, sub-master keys for each floor, and individual keys for each lock. The possibilities are endless. Providing key combinations for the different locks within such intricate systems is where we excel, and where Abloy Protec comes into its own. A commitment to providing reliable service, together with the highest quality products for any given application, is the driving force behind every part of the Abloy Group, which is why we developed a global network of Abloy service centres, and why we ensure that Abloy products are developed and tested to exceed all high security standards around the world. There are many different products in existence that have developed special markets for themselves, markets where they excel. For Abloy, those markets are too many to mention, but there is a common factor that links them all. That factor is the unrivaled strength and durability of all Abloy products. Strength, because they can resist almost any form of attack. Durability, because they have been proven to withstand the most extreme environmental conditions. Which is why Abloy cylinders are chosen again and again by commercial and industrial organisations worldwide for sensitive applications within areas such as banking, museums, utilities and government organisations. Abloy locks and cylinders can be found in the most exposed locations, continually defying the elements on land and sea in the coldest and the hottest of climates. We are proud to be leading the way with technological advancements within the high security locks industry. We are also extremely proud of our latest development, Abloy Protec. The future is here, and the future of high security is Abloy Protec.